Do you get bored looking at endless rows of data in Excel? Is it difficult to make sense of them? Imagine transforming your plain spreadsheet into a visually stunning dashboard that tells a story at a glance. In this video, I'll show you how to work like a pro using Excel, highlight trends, spot errors, and analyze data with just a few clicks. Are you ready to level up your Excel game? First, we have a table here with the names of students and their final grades. We'll make it easier to read by applying conditional formatting. We want to highlight cells where students scored less than 60. To do this, select the cells, go to the Home tab, then Styles, and select Conditional Formatting. Choose Highlight Cell Rules Less Than. Enter 60 as the value and format it to highlight the cells in red. You can also customize the formatting, bold text, italicize, change colors, etc. This makes it clear which students need help and which are doing well. Let's move on to another example. Customer reviews on a website. We want to highlight reviews submitted in the last 7 days. Select the column, go to Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, and then go to A Date Occurring and choose In the Last 7 Days. Format the cells with a yellow fill and click OK. Now we can easily identify recent reviews to address any issues. In this third example, we have a list of employees. We'll highlight any duplicate values. Select the column, go to Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, Duplicate Values. Duplicate entries will be highlighted in red or your chosen format. You can also identify unique values using the same steps. Now, let's highlight the top 10 or 20% performers in the class. Select the data, go to Conditional Formatting, Top-Bottom Rules, Top 10%. You can adjust the number to 20 and change the color to green. Similarly, you can highlight the bottom 10 performers to identify those who need improvement. To highlight grades above or below the class average, go to Top-Bottom Rules, Above Average or Below Average. Apply green for above average grades and red for below average grades. Now, let's explore data bars under Conditional Formatting. This will show a bar chart-like view within the cells, where longer bars represent higher values. You can also use color scales to visually compare values. Lower grades are shown in red, higher in green, and the colors transition gradually. Another option is icon sets. You can add arrows or symbols to indicate performance, example higher grades with upward arrows. Finally, if you click New Rule in Conditional Formatting, you'll see more advanced options like formatting cells based on their values, top and bottom ranked values, unique or duplicate values, and custom formatting with borders, colors, and patterns. Conditional formatting in Excel is a powerful tool to make your data meaningful at a glance. Explore these features to save time and work smarter. Don't forget to follow and subscribe on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Goodbye until the next video.